Hello students, in this video we are going to study about nature of the roots concept. Okay, now we know that ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is the standard form of quadratic equation. Okay, it will have roots, that means value of x will be there, isn't it? Now the nature of the roots, what is this concept, nature of the roots? See, the nature of the roots can be of three types. Okay, first one is the equation. Equation can have two distinct means different roots. Okay, equation can have two distinct roots. Like for example, one root can be 3, another root can be 2. So 3 and 2 are different numbers, different roots. So equation can have two distinct roots. Okay, or equation can have two same roots. Okay, let us say 4 and 4. 4 and 4 are the same roots of equation, right? The third case is equation can have imaginary roots. See, these are real numbers, 3, 2. They are different, but they are real numbers, right? Here the roots are real numbers, here also the roots are real numbers, whereas here equation the roots are imaginary numbers. Okay, now see, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, right? We have learned quadratic formula in the previous video, isn't it? Minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This will give us the value of x, right? Now everything depends on this, whatever is there inside the root, that one, b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac. What is this called as? This is called as discriminant. Okay, so ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. In this, b square minus 4ac is called as discriminant. Everything depends on this b square minus 4ac. Okay, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, listen carefully, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, equation will have two different roots. Okay, if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, we will have two same roots, or we can say two equal roots. Okay, third case is if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, that means if we get a negative value, the equation will have imaginary roots. We can say imaginary roots, or we can say no real roots. Both are one and the same. No real roots or imaginary roots, both are one and the same. Okay, see, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, two different roots or two distinct roots. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, two same roots. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, no real roots or imaginary roots. Okay, everything depends on this b square minus 4ac, the term which is inside the root. What is this called as? It is called as discriminant. Okay, you take any equation, any quadratic equation, it will have these three types of roots: two distinct, two same, or imaginary roots. Okay, now I have few examples here. Let us solve those examples and find discriminants also. Let me rub this. Okay, now the first one is, let us find x square plus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. Let us find the nature of the roots of this. Okay, let us find the nature of the roots. Alright, so if we compare this with the standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, what is the value of a? A is equal to 1. b is equal to 7 and c is equal to minus 6. Okay, we need to find b square minus 4ac. So b is 7, so this b square will be 7 square. 4 into a is 1, c is minus 60. 7 square is 49, minus into minus is plus, 4 ones is 4. 4 6 24, right? So this will be 240. So this will be 289. Is 289 greater than 0 or is equal to 0 or less than 0? This is greater than 0, which means b square minus 4ac value is greater than 0. Just now we have studied, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, equation will have two different roots. Okay, so what is the nature of the roots? Equation will have two different or distinct roots. Now let us go ahead and find those roots using quadratic formula. Okay, minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So minus b is equal to 7 plus minus root b square minus 4ac I need not find again because we already did. It is 289 divided by 2 into a is equal to 1. So this will be the values of x. Okay, minus 7 plus minus 289 root is 17. Okay, yes, 17, 17 are 7 7s are 49, 7 1s are 7, 8 9 10 11 and 17. So see, 289. So 289 root is 17. So what are the two different values now? Write plus one time and minus one time. So this is 10 by 2 minus 7 plus 17 is 10. So this will give us 5, and this is minus 24 by 2 minus 12. Okay, yes, minus 12. So these are the two different roots. Okay, b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. So we have two different roots. One is 5, one is minus 2. Okay, let us take two more examples. Let me rub this. Let me write two more examples. 3x square minus 2x plus 1 by 3 is equal to 0. This is one example. And after that, let us solve 2x square minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. All right. So this is 3x square minus 2x plus 1 by 3 is equal to 0. Now, see, there is 3 in the denominator. It will create a problem, right? Let us eliminate this. How can we eliminate this? By multiplying by 3 on both sides. Or we can multiply every term by 3. So I am multiplying every term by 3. Okay. So this will be 3 zeros are 0. 3 3 will get cancelled here. 1 will be left. 3 3s are 9. So this is 9x square minus 3 2s are 6. So this is the equation we have. 9x square minus 6x plus 1 is equal to 0 in the standard form, right? So if you compare this with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, a is 9, b is minus 6, c is 1. Okay, we need to find the nature of the roots. Okay, we need to find the discriminant first. So discriminant is b square minus 4ac. Let us find minus 6 whole square, because b is minus 6, so I wrote minus 6 whole square. 4 into a into c. 4 into a is 9, c is 1. Minus 6 square is plus 36 minus 4 9s are 36. 36 into 1 is 36. So this is equal to 0. 36 minus 36 is 0. So we got b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, which means it is the second case, right? So this equation will have two same roots, right? Two same roots. Let us find those roots using quadratic formula. b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is quadratic formula, right? Let us substitute the values. Minus b is minus 6 plus minus root, I need not find this again because this is equal to how much? 0 divided by 2 into a is equal to how much? 9. Sorry, minus into minus is plus, so this is 6, this will become 0, right? This is 0 divided by 2 multiplied by 9, so this is 2 times, this is 3 times. Okay, 2 and 2 will also get cancelled, this is 1 by 3. So see here, the roots are 1 by 3 and 1 by 3. It will not have one root, it is quadratic equation, it should have 2 roots, but the roots will be equal like we got here, right? So 1 by 3 and 1 by 3 will be the roots, okay, of this equation or this equation. These two equations are one and the same. All right, now let us find this one. Let me rub this. Let us find the nature of roots. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So a here is equal to 2, b here is equal to minus 4, c here is equal to 3. So b square minus 4ac. So b square is 4 minus 4 square, 4 into a into 3. So 4 square minus 4 square is 16. Okay, see here, 3 2s is 6, 6 4s is 24. We have minus 8, right? This is less than 0, which means b square minus 4ac is less than 0. If it is less than 0, we learned that this equation will have two imaginary roots, or we can say no real roots exist, or the equation will have imaginary roots. Okay, I hope you understood this. Can we find the roots? Minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So what is the value of b? Minus 4 plus minus root b square minus 4 square. Okay, I need not find this, right? Because I already found it is equal to minus 8 divided by 2 into 2. So this is how much? 4. 4 plus minus root minus 8 by 4. Okay, see, if you have negative values inside the root, we cannot find the real numbers of those root. Okay, we can find the imaginary roots, we can find the imaginary number. This one, what I mean to say is minus root 8 is an imaginary number, it is not a real number. Okay, until now we have come across numbers like this, plus 4 in the root, plus 8 in the root, plus 16 in the root, etc. But we never came across something like this in the 10th standard. You will learn this concept about imaginary roots in the intermediate. Okay, so can we find real roots of this? No, we cannot find. Okay, hence the roots are imaginary. So no real roots, or we can say imaginary roots. All right, I hope you understood this concept. So everything depends on the discriminant b square minus 4ac. Okay, thank you so much for watching the video.